of a compound. What you do is you start by looking up the molar masses for all of the elements in the compound. So we're given here this problem, which is find the percent composition of NH3. So you sort of assume that you have 1 mole of NH3. And if you have 1 mole of NH3, you have 1 mole of nitrogen. And if you look on the periodic table, the molar mass of nitrogen is 14. And then if you look for hydrogen, it's 1. But you have 3 hydrogens in this. You have 3 moles of hydrogen. So hydrogen times 3, the molar mass is 1 times 3 is 3. So the total mass then is going to be 14 plus 3, or 17. And then percent composition means that you find the percent of each individual element in this compound. So first we'll do nitrogen. The total mass is 17. The mass of the nitrogen is 14. So dividing the part divided by the whole, which is what percentage means, 14 divided by 17, you get 82.4%. Okay, and so when you do that division, you get 0.824, and then multiply that by 100 to get the percentage. Then you have to do the same thing for the hydrogen. So the hydrogen weighs 3, which we got from over here. The total mass is 17. And so once again, 3 divided by 17 equals 0.176 times 100, and you get 17.6%. Okay. Now you do the same thing. I just wanted to give you a little bit more complicated an example. Here you have calcium, nitrogen, and oxygen. So let's go through and figure out, if you have 1 mole of that compound, then how much does everything weigh? So you look up calcium, and you see that calcium is 40. Alright, so calcium is 40. And you look up nitrogen. Now, because the nitrogen is in parentheses and that parentheses is multiplied by 2, that means we have 2 nitrogens. The 2 nitrogens, each nitrogen is 14. 2 nitrogens is going to weigh 28. And then the oxygens, in the parentheses there are 3 oxygens, but then those are multiplied by 2, so that's 6 oxygens. So 6 oxygens has a mass of 16 times 6, 96. That's 6 oxygens, not 60. 6 oxygens equals 96 grams. Okay, so to figure out the total mass, we have to do 96 plus 28 plus 40 equals 164. Okay, so the total is 164. And for the calcium, we're going to do 40 divided by 164. And so the answer that you're going to get is 40 divided by 164 is 24.4%. For the nitrogen, 28 divided by 164 is 17.1%. And finally for the oxygen, 96 divided by 164 176 divided by 164 equals 58.5%. Okay, that is percent composition. Thanks for watching.